Sierra here with Crafting Unedited. Today we're going to talk about the Cricut Joy card mat. So we have our Cricut Joy and I've had a lot of fun with it. I got it a few weeks ago and I've been learning lots of new things. And if you have subscribed to my channel, you have the gloriousness of watching all of my videos that I've done so far on using the Joy. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that so that you can see all those fun videos. I was going to say tutorials, but then the videos came out. The videos, watch the videos. Anyways, so I have been waiting since I got this for this to come in, and it's taken forever. So I got it yesterday and I wanted to show you guys how easy this little bitty thing makes life, well, card making life that is. So you need the Cricut Joy Insert Card mat, some Cricut Joy insert cards. You can make your own if you want, but I choose to not make my own. And design space either on the app or on a desktop. I have selected a card from the categories, and the first step is to find a card, right? Right. So you're just going to go down to, if you're using the app, you're going to go over here in the right hand corner and it's going to say categories, then you'll go down to cards. I've already got that selected, so I don't need to do that. And I'm going to select the Sorry I've Been Crabby card. So we are in the middle of a pandemic. It is crazy. Things have been shut down. It's going on almost 2 months, I don't know, I lost track of time. Almost 2 months of just being stuck at home and not around other people, and it's a lot either way. So I've been a bit crabby. I'm gonna make a I'm sorry I've been crabby card. All right, so we've got it here, and all you're gonna do is select Make It. Then you are going to pull out whatever color card you want. I thought this one had white in it. It does not, but that's okay. We'll use red. And you're going to take the card, open it up, and you have the card insert mat, and you just slide it just like that. And you want to align the top here, or the bottom, that's the bottom with the 4.25 by 5.5. And once you have that aligned all in all the corners and edges, you're going to secure it down. The top part of this is sticky, the inside is not. So you can slide it in there and kind of just let it do its thing. So first, I believe I'm going to need to swap out the blade for the pen. For this card, you do need the pen. All right, so put that in there real quick. This throws me off because in the other Cricut machines you wait for it to click. You don't have to wait for it to click in this one. Alright, so on card mat, good to go. So when you first go to make it, this screen pops up if you're using the Design Space app. To get rid of that screen, you just select one up in the top corner. Ta-da! And then you're going to hit continue down here in the bottom right hand corner. But first I have to connect it. Simple, done. Alright, continue. And then you're going to have to select, it's typically the very first option, but insert card mat right there. All right, and then you just, once you do that, this screen comes up and you load it. And then once it's loaded, you'll hit go in the bottom right hand corner. This is for the iPhone. I don't know how it works for Galaxy or Android devices. I only know Apple. So it's going to start off with writing or drawing some of the fun doohickeys on here. It literally takes typically like maybe 3 to 5 minutes start to finish to make these cards, and they're so much fun. I made a few yesterday and I can't wait to use these. I'm never buying another card again. So we'll just let it do its thing, and while it does its thing, we can just chit chat, and I'll tell you how much you should subscribe to my channel and why. You should subscribe because I'm going to be doing lots of videos on this guy, the maker, and other crafts as well, not just Cricut crafts. I do a lot of different things, and right now I am testing a lot of fun tumbler and cup ideas, so be on the lookout for those. I'm really excited about those for real. I'm currently doing a ceramic mug, which is a lot of fun. But the Cricut Joy, I don't see myself using it for a lot of vinyl as much as I do this feature, card making. Vinyl, it's great for quick things. It's really great to travel with, so if you want to take it with you on the go, it's easy to do because it's so lightweight and tiny. Just let it do its thing. It's drawing a lot more than I thought it was, but that's okay. Oh. Now I need to switch to the blade. And once it'll prompt you when to switch, and then once you've switched, you'll hit go. And then it'll just do its thing. It's one smart little machine, I'm telling you. Sorry. I'm a bit sleepy. Being stuck at home really takes its toll on you. Hence the sorry I've been crabby card. I love this. I think it's so funny. Hopefully it'll make my husband laugh when he gets it. We're almost done. So if you think of any videos that I should do, or if you have any suggestions, feel free to comment and let me know. I'm always happy to try new things and to teach other people how to do things on a real level. Meaning I don't edit anything out. Including my yawns and sniffles. We're human. I think other humans want to see people being humans. There's enough actors on TV, right? It's drawing the little crab now. It's drawing me. That's who it's drawing. Or cutting. It's cutting me. And one more. We're done. That's that. When it's done, you have the option to unload or to try again. You'll just hit unload and it'll spit it out. Then you're going to carefully pull up the edges of your card. It's just like any other card on a Cricut machine. It wants to be a butt head. There we go. Trying not to tear any of it, but part of it is being, the Y doesn't want to come up. There we go. And I'm all tangled. Alright. So, once you've got it out, it looks like this. And like this. Then you're gonna take, I'll do black. One of these, the little things that comes with your insert cards. And you're just going to put it into each of the little corners. There's little slots on every corner. I also am making a fun video on how to design these cards. It took everything I could to find a tutorial on how to make these cards, because I don't like to copy other people's stuff. I like to be creative and make my own, and I did it. I figured it out. So that'll be another video. Another reason for you to subscribe. All right, and there we have it, friends. Sorry, I've been crabby card. Using the Cricut card mat. That's it. Simple. That took all of about 10 minutes total. And that's because I had to explain some things to you, so no worries. Anyway, so until next time, my fellow crafters, we'll see you later.